Hi, it's Lorraine the Layer, and it's back to Lorraine the Lawyer. Very nice to be with you all again this week. And today we have a very interesting case to go over, and that is of Kim Kardashian versus the SEC, none other than the SEC. We might have seen it come up in the news, but should you have missed the facts, let me go over them for you now. Um, on June 13th, 2021, Kim Kardashian posted on social media, Instagram specifically, a post that linked her followers to the Ethereum Max website, wherein her followers could purchase EMAX crypto tokens. She prefaced her post with, "This is not financial advice," and also included #AD after several other hashtags at the end of the post. For this promotion, Kim Kardashian was paid $250,000, but made no further assurance of this fact. The EMAX tokens were available to the general public starting on approximately May 14, 2021, and Ethereum Max's website, public statements, and promotional materials purchasers of EMAX tokens would have a reasonable expectation of profits from their investments in the tokens. Further, based on Ethereum Max company statements, it was reasonable for purchasers to assume that they would receive increased value for their purchase due to the expertise of Ethereum Max management, as well as the ability of the company to drive a secondary market demand for EMAX tokens. The company made numerous direct statements claiming that the EMAX tokens would rise to the value as a result of company effort, including deals with national sporting and event partnerships and overall expansion of EMAX token market. So, what is the law on this? The Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, instituted an action against Kim Kardashian based on her alleged violation of Section 17B of the Securities Act of 1933, which makes it unlawful for any person to publish, give publicity to, or circulate any notice, circular, advertisement, newspaper, article, letter, investment service, or communication which, though not purporting to offer a security for sale, describes such security for a consideration received or to be received directly or indirectly from an insurer, underwriter, or dealer without fully disclosing the receipt, whether past or prospective, of such consideration and the amount thereof. So specifically, the SEC found that Kardashian violated the section by toting EMAX tokens on her social media account without specifically disclosing that she had been paid for her promotion, as well as not disclosing the amount of the payment. The SEC noted in the opinion that on July 25th, 2017, the SEC issued a warning that digital tokens or coins offered may be securities, and those people who offer and sell securities, including cryptocurrency deemed securities, must comply with the federal securities laws. This was contemporaneous with a statement by the SEC Division of Enforcement and Office of Compliance Inspections and Examinations, which stated that any celebrity or other individual who promotes a virtual token or coin that is a security must disclose the nature, scope, and amount of compensation received, and in exchange for the promotion. A failure to disclose this information is a violation of the anti-toting provisions, specifically Section 17B of the federal securities laws. So what is the outcome here? Kim Kardashian settled with the SEC for a civil penalty, as well as a cease and desist order banning her from being involved in advertising cryptocurrency-related products for 3 years. Specifically, she must pay $1 million in civil money penalties to the SEC, as well as disgorge her profits of $250,000 and then prejudgment interest of $10,415.35. The SEC will attempt to use some of the funds to reimburse harmed investors, if feasible. Kim Kardashian did not admit or deny guilt here, and no finding of guilt or innocence was made. She apparently agreed to continue cooperating with the SEC in what is an ongoing investigation with EMAX token matter. Within a month of Kim Kardashian promoting the EMAX token, it had lost 98% of its value, and today still trades at about the same level. So let's really take a moment and think about the broader perspective here. Kim Kardashian's case is interesting in that she decided not to fight it. She cooperated immediately and did not try to defend herself by saying that using #ad in the post she made showed that she was at least being compensated for her post. Given how fast Kim Kardashian settled the case with the SEC, it may signal a trend toward more vigorous and strict reading of the Securities Act and a more stringent enforcement of celebrity endorsements of crypto securities. The SEC has charged and settled a matter case with boxer Floyd Mayweather Jr., who also in that suit paid penalties totaling $614,775. Some celebrities avoid the pitfall of crypto securities enforcement by promoting cryptocurrency exchanges rather than actual cryptocurrencies. Since the exchange platforms are not securities, they are beyond the reach of the SEC, whereas given the coins or tokens that can be considered as securities, the SEC can catch a celebrity in an enforcement action. Celebrities who have toted exchanges rather than coins tokens are Larry David, Tom Brady, and Matt Damon. There is also a class action lawsuit winding its way through federal court, the Central District of California. And that was filed on January 7th, 2022, naming Floyd Mayweather Jr. and Kim Kardashian, amongst others, for their role in promoting, again, EMAX tokens. There is really a whole history behind this, and it's definitely worth examining, but it's too in-depth for us to cover in this one video, so perhaps we'll look at that complaint at another time. Given that EMAX tokens plunged 98% within weeks of the big name celebrity Kim Kardashian endorsements, one is entitled to wonder if the days of celebrity and endorsements for crypto are now numbered, and really what the future of the crypto market is. It's also worth noting that this was an administrative proceeding only, not a criminal one, since so many people don't seem to know the difference. Kim Kardashian was accused of violating the law, yes, but that law carries administrative monetary penalties, not prison time. I'm unsure really, to take a step back, if Kim Kardashian could promote a cryptocurrency exchange. But given the broad cease and desist of the SEC settlement, it seems she has to stay away from any cryptocurrency products for a period of 3 years. Not that I imagine she wants to be involved with this, given that her actions in this arena will probably be under a microscope given this settlement. Plus the impending class action lawsuit accusing her of the pump and dump scheme. Thank you so much for listening, and it's Lorraine the Lawyer.